Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying credentials and selecting the right client. This saves time. Once connected, run a light test query like select one to validate connectivity and permissions. Make sure your user has select rights on the target schema. If not, request minimal privileges. Then identify the table names with show tables or information schema queries so you know exactly what to request. These first steps prevent blind queries and avoid locking or permission errors later in the process. Once you know the tables, build focused queries. List columns, filter with where, and limit rows to avoid heavy transfers. You should prefer index join keys and include on conditions to keep execution plans efficient. Use explain or explain analyze to inspect the plan and adjust indexes or predicates accordingly. If you need aggregated results, group by only necessary columns and consider materialized views for repeated heavy work. Make sure to test performance on representative data, not just tiny samples. You complete the task by exporting or fetching data in the needed format, CSV for spreadsheets, JSON for APIs, or a dump for backups. After retrieval, validate counts and sample rows to confirm integrity and compare checksums if available. If you hit errors, first confirm permissions and network stability, then run the query with explain to find plan issues and inspect server logs for timeouts or resource limits. Finally, iterate, adjust limits or add indexes, then rerun and validate until results match expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.